In this video, you'll learn how to achieve inbox zero using Notion Mail. This process will help you manage your emails effectively and ensure a clean and organized inbox. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, enter the URL in your browser and press enter. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage where you can log in using your credentials. Next, locate the Notion Mail option on the sidebar. Click on it to access your email interface. After this action, the mail interface will load, displaying your inbox and any existing emails. Once your inbox is displayed, select an email to check. Click on the first email in your inbox. This action will open the email, allowing you to read its content and take necessary actions. After reviewing the first email, proceed to the second email. Click on it to open and check its details. Following this, you should be able to read the content and decide how to handle it. Continue this process by clicking on the third email. Open it in the same manner as the previous emails. Each email you open can help you determine if it requires a response or if it can be archived. Now, click on the fourth email, review its contents carefully. After this, you will be equipped to decide whether to reply, archive, or delete the email. Next, open the fifth email. As you progress through your inbox, consider how each email impacts your workflow and whether it needs immediate attention. Continue this process by selecting the sixth email. After opening this email, assess its importance and decide on the appropriate action. Now that you've opened several emails, it's time to organize them. Click on the tags option available in the interface. This will allow you to categorize your emails for better management. Once the tags menu appears, select and categorize the email you just opened. This categorization helps in sorting and finding emails more efficiently later. To add a new label, type in Notion template in the provided field. This will allow you to create a new category that suits your email management needs. After typing the label, click on Add Notion Template. This action will create the new label and apply it to the selected email. Proceed by clicking on the first Notion template in the list. This will allow you to utilize the specific categorization you just created. Next, click on another Notion template to further categorize your emails. This will help keep your inbox organized and manageable. Now, click on the three dots icon to access more options related to your email management. This menu provides additional actions that can be performed on your selected emails. Click on Split this label from inbox. This action will help you separate the categorized emails from your main inbox, allowing for a clearer view of your... After this, click on Inbox to return to your main email view. This will refresh your inbox, showing you the remaining emails that need attention. Now, click on another email to continue your review process. This will ensure that you are consistently working towards achieving inbox zero. Once you have assessed your emails, click on Archive to move the emails you no longer need to keep in your inbox. Archiving helps maintain a clutter-free space. Next, click on All Mail and select Check All. This action will allow you to select multiple emails at once for bulk actions. Finally, click on Delete to remove any emails that are no longer necessary. Be mindful of this action as it will permanently remove those emails from your inbox. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.